Dirty lens.
So the sink will be underneath the window right here, but when the sink is not being used, I will cover it with a chopping board, which will fit perfectly into the sink. And then on top of that, I will put a hot plate. A hot plate is a very small stove. It's not going to be like a full-blown gas or anything kind of stove. It's just an electric hot plate. I'm going to be able to plug it in and just cook my food, and then when I'm done, put it away.
Well, it's beginning to feel like a permanent home.
Yes.
So this is Himanshu's future home to be, but watch your head. I mean, I don't have to watch my head. I'm not tall enough yet, so. But again, this is where Himanshu's bed's gonna be, and below his bed is the kitchen.
Hello. What's going on, guys?
Alright, so
yeah, I'm gonna be sleeping right over here.
maybe that should be your window up there.
It is my window, actually. Except I'm gonna cover it for now, and then I'm gonna place
some kind of glass.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean it out, and I'll put a glass window on there. There will be a total of 12 windows in this house.
Uh huh.
So lots lots of daylight.
Do you think this house will be strong enough to protect you from bears?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Bears can't break in here, can they?
I hope not. I mean, I'm just gonna make some noise if the bears try to come in.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I hope not. I hope no bears come in here. But I think it'll be okay if they did. We'll have a big old party. Hi. So this tarp here flew over because of the heavy winds last night. And one of the things I got to do now is put this tarp back on and then the big tarp down below too.
Found it.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Hey Arna,
Yeah?
will you do me a favor?
Mm-hmm. What can I do?
Inside the house,
Mm-hmm. Inside the house?
there is a piece of plywood here on the floor. If you don't mind handing it over to me, I would like to see if this thing is going to work.
Okay.